Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and today going to show you how to set up APN on our Android device on the Jio SIM card. Latest new gaming APN settings 2023 but work for all networks. Quick step to setting up our smartphone APN for mobile data access. Let's get start. Go to the settings app on our Android device. Click on SIM card and mobile network. Select our SIM card. Click on access point name. Click on the add or plus button to add a new APN. Enter APN settings, tap the name field, name. Guys, capital letter and small letter very important. Follow the step by steps. Name. Name Jio space net space max space alpha. Jio J capital letter space net N capital letter space max M capital letter space alpha A capital letter. Tap OK. APN JioNet max small letter not space. Tap OK. Proxy not set, port not set, username. Username speedboat.x small letter not space. Tap OK. Password not set. Scroll down. Server www.google.com small letter not space. Tap OK. MMSC not set, MMS proxy not set, MMS port not set. Scroll down. MCC not set, MNC not set. Authentication type. Fourth option, tap or tap select. APN type. APN type default small letter not space. Tap OK. Scroll down. APN protocol. Third option, IP4/IPv6 select. APN roaming protocol. Third option, IP4/IPv6 select. Important settings, BRR, unspecified untick, LTE, HSPAP, HSPA, HSUPA, HSDPA, UMTS, EDGE, GPRS. Scroll down. EHPRD, EVDO_B, EVDO_A, EVDO_0, 1xRTT, IS95B, IS95A. Tap OK. Tap the more icon. Tap save. New JioNet Max Alpha APN shape. Select a JioNet Max Alpha APN. JioNet Max Alpha Free Fire Gaming APN. Click the return home button. Select any one option. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 5 seconds. Turn airplane mode off. Option 2. Save the setting and restart our phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe to share it with our family and friend.